Is your laptop not working the way it should? Perhaps a failing battery, noisy fan, or unresponsive keyboard? In this video, I'll guide you through disassembling your HP 255G7 so you can identify and fix the troublesome component. Let's dive in. Before beginning any repair, ensure your laptop is unplugged. Flip it over, remove the screw securing the DVD drive, and slide it out to create the necessary workspace for your repair. Next, unscrew the 3 visible screws holding the bottom cover. Each removed screw brings you closer to accessing the faulty part. 7 additional screws are concealed beneath the rubber feet. Gently remove these feet, as you'll need them for reassembly. Lift them carefully to prevent damage. These screws secure the bottom cover. Removing them grants access to your laptop's internal components. Flip the laptop over for better access. Insert a spudger into the gap between the top and bottom covers, sliding it along the edges to release the clips. Take your time. Damaging the clips can complicate the reassembly. This step enables you to remove the bottom cover and inspect the internal components. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Your support helps me make more videos like this to help you and others. Let me know in the comments which part of your laptop you fixed, if this video helped, and how I can improve. Carefully lift the bottom cover to reveal your laptop's interior, bringing you one step closer to resolving the issue. Begin by disconnecting the battery to eliminate any electrical risks. Unscrew the 3 screws securing the battery, lift it out, and set it aside. If you're replacing a dead battery, this is how to remove it. Experiencing memory issues? Here's how to replace the RAM. Gently push the 2 metal clips outward to release the RAM module. For Wi-Fi or connectivity problems, start by removing the Wi-Fi module. Peel off the tape, gently disconnect the antenna wires, and remove the module. Remember, the delicate wires require careful handling. Unscrew the Wi-Fi module and slide it out. Replacing a faulty Wi-Fi card is straightforward. If your hard drive is failing, remove the screws securing the hard drive bracket and lift it out carefully to access the drive. To replace the SSD, simply lift it out after removing the hard drive bracket. Essential if your laptop isn't booting properly. Remove the screw securing the SSD connector. Disconnect the flat cable by gently lifting the small clip. Both the flat cable and especially the small clip are fragile, so handle them with care. To replace the USB board, disconnect its cable and remove the board. This is often the solution if your USB ports have stopped working. Unscrew the 2 screws holding the touchpad button board. If your touchpad buttons aren't responding, this step allows you to replace them. Disconnect the flat cables connecting the touchpad to the main board and remove the touchpad board. This step helps you fix any touchpad issues. When reassembling, ensure all cables are securely connected. A loose connection could make the keyboard, touchpad, or display unresponsive. Disconnect the speaker cable by pulling the plastic connector and not the wires. This step is essential if your laptop speakers are not working properly. Unscrew the fan and disconnect its cable. If your fan is loud or your laptop overheats, cleaning or replacing the fan is critical. Dust buildup prevents proper cooling, so clean the fan thoroughly. Disconnect the keyboard cable by lifting the clip gently. This step is necessary if your keyboard needs to be replaced. Unscrew all the screws securing the heatsink. Lift it away carefully, as the thermal paste may still stick to the CPU. Before reassembling, clean off the old thermal paste and apply fresh paste. This improves cooling and prevents overheating. Disconnect the display cable by pulling on the connector and not the wires. This step is crucial if your display isn't working or needs replacement. Disconnect the DC jack cable. If your laptop isn't charging, replacing the DC jack may solve the problem. Loosen all the screws securing the hinges. This step is necessary to fully separate the display from the rest of the laptop. If you want to learn how to fix a broken screen, a damaged hinge, or a faulty display cable, stay tuned until the end. After loosening the screws, lift the palm rest slightly to open the hinges. Then, fully open the hinges by hand. This allows access to the display assembly for repairs or replacement. Separate the palm rest from the display housing. Do this slowly to avoid damaging the connectors or cables. Remove the screws securing the mainboard. Double-check for any remaining screws before lifting the board. If it doesn't come out easily, you've likely missed a screw. Avoid using force. Remove the DC jack using a spudger. Take out the speaker. If you need to disassemble the display or hinges, click the link at the end of the video. Congratulations! You've successfully disassembled your HP 255 G7. Whether you're fixing or upgrading, you now have the knowledge to do it confidently. If this video helped, please like, comment, and subscribe to support more content like this.